Nation, it's me, Barry P., back again. Family Fun RV Center, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue, beautiful Portland, Oregon. Our second location, 570 North Columbia Boulevard, also in Portland, Oregon. Go say what's up to Kurt over there. Both locations family-owned and family-run. Both locations small in size, big in service. Ladies and gentlemen of the RV Nation, we just got this trailer in. This is a 2018 Forest River EVO 2990. This trailer sleeps up to 10, half-ton towable. A lot of great features in this package. On the outside, as usual, 4-season trailer from Forest River, sealed and heated underbelly, full power package in this as well. One-touch setup if you so choose. Remote control, you hit one button, you run your jacks down, run your awning out, and you're ready to get camping. Outside kitchen on this model, which is amazing. You want to do some grilling, cooking outside. It's got a grill that stays outside. Also has a refrigerator and a sink that has its own enclosed area. Do your prepping, do your cooking outside. No mess inside the coach. Coming inside, one giant slide right here in your living area with your sofa and your dinette, both of which, of course, make into a bed. Front walk-around queen bed with a Denver pillow top mattress. Front area also closes off for some privacy. Great entertainment center here just in front of me with DVD, Bluetooth, and also USB capabilities. L-shaped kitchen here with solid surface countertops, undermounted sink. You've got swiveling faucet with pull-out sprayer, which is great for prep and cleanup. Solid wood cabinets with glass inserts. You've got stainless appliances, Dometic refrigerator, which everybody knows the quality of Dometic in your RVs. You've got 3 bunks out back. 2 bunks on your driver's side actually have access from the outside. So if you want to store something in there, suitcase, whatever it is, and you need to get to it while you're traveling, you can do it from outside the coach, which makes a great, great convenience. Bunk on this side as well. Plenty of storage back there. Great size bathroom with a tub. So if you've got some little ones that you've got to wash up in a tub, this coach has that capability. Centrally ducted heat and air conditioning, LED lighting throughout, speakers throughout. Folks, this really is a great coach and an even better price. If you've been considering a travel trailer, toy hauler, fifth wheel, Class A, B, or C motorhome, please, folks, come see us here at Family Fun RV, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue, beautiful Portland. If you have a trailer or a motorhome, you've been trying to get rid of it, you're tired of messing with Craigslist ad, we'd love to consign it for you. No cost to you, nationally advertised, and we take care of all the paperwork and all the calls from the knuckleheads. Folks, again, it's me, Barry P., Family Fun RV, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue. This is the Forest River EVO 2990. Come on down, take a look, let's get campy.